जी हाँ, आपने ठीक ही सुना। मैं बात कर रही हूँ जेम्स बॉन्ड 007 की, जो अपने एस्टन मार्टिन के बिना कम ही दिखाई देते हैं। But who can blame Mr. Bond? Aston Martin चीज ही ऐसी है, known in the world of cars for its subtle but lethal speed and class. तो चलिए मैं आपको ले जाती हूँ for the launch of new Aston Martin model right here in Dubai.
The car you see here today is our latest race car. It's we now make race cars from GT racing in all categories, from GT1, 2, 3 and 4. But the car we're launching today is the very latest GT4 car. The car itself was evolved from a road car. It's based upon the standard V8 Vantage road car. And it started off with some engineers at the factory who said the best way of developing our car is to take it to the Nürburgring race circuit and test it there. And once they tested it, they said, well, why don't we run it in the 24-hour race? And it was such a success from a basic standard car, we've evolved a race car from that now. Last year there were 1, 2, 3 at the Nürburgring 24-hour race in the class. And this latest version is a higher capacity engine, 4.7 litres. We've removed 300 kilos of weight from the car. We've improved the braking system, the suspension. It's obviously got all the safety features that one would expect of a race car. And so it's a really great car for a whole range of people, from young drivers who want a safe GT car to start their racing career, to people like myself who just want to have a bit of fun or enter the Dubai 24-hour race.
Talking about speed, let's time our watches to see this extraordinary feat by the Aston Martin mechanics. Did you notice that was precisely 15 seconds? Wasn't that exciting? But High Life Dubai में हम सिर्फ ग्लैमर में ही concentrate नहीं करते हैं. We focus on the outside as well as the inside. And that brings us to our next segment, High Focus. हाई फोकस में हम हर हफ्ते उन सोशल इश्यूज पर कंसंट्रेट करते हैं जो हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं. High Focus is created to give a platform to all you viewers to communicate with us and each other. और पिछले हफ्ते की तरह इस हफ्ते भी एक बार फिर हम एड्स पर फोकस करेंगे. वैसे यूएई में एड्स की मात्रा काफ़ी कम है, just about 645 cases reported so far. And recently, government has also appointed a committee to raise more awareness and to remove the social stigma around it. Prevention and cure. In the absence of a cure, education is the most effective tool in the prevention of the HIV virus. There are 3 key things that can be done to help prevent all forms of HIV transmission. First among these is promoting widespread awareness of HIV and how it can be spread. Media campaigns and education in schools are among the best ways to do this. Another essential part of a prevention program is HIV counseling and testing. People living with HIV are less likely to transmit the virus to others if they know they are infected and if they have received counseling about safer behavior. The primary goal of treatment is to strengthen the immune system and reduce the viral load for as long as possible by inhibiting viral replication. Symptoms of AIDS and HIV infection. For a period of several years, sometimes as long as several decades, people infected with HIV are asymptomatic. However, their immune system is gradually being destroyed by the virus. When this destruction has progressed to a critical point, symptoms of AIDS appear. Treatment. There is neither a cure for AIDS nor a vaccine for HIV.
Anti-HIV, also called as antiretroviral, medications are used to control the reproduction of the virus and to slow or halt the progression of HIV-related diseases. The drugs are often referred to as antiretrovirals, anti-HIV or anti-AIDS drugs, HIV antiviral drugs.
हमारे लिए ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि एड्स का कोई इलाज नहीं है. It's a fatal disease with no cure. So it's very important for all of us to know how this disease can be managed. Remember, prevention is better than cure, so be safe. Visit our website for more information and also to win loads of exciting prizes. Don't miss our Christmas episode next week. See you on another glamorous journey only on High Life Dubai.
Hi, this is Raghavendra Rathore.
Malini Ramani.
Wendell Rodrigues.
Keep watching
High Life Dubai.
High Life Dubai.
High Life Dubai.